Hey everyone, I assume you are here because you are planning ahead just in case you ever get sent back in time, maybe to the year 1955 or something like that, and there's no YouTube and there's a chance you're going to have to use one of these phones. Maybe you have to get a hold of the doc so he can send you back to the future, who knows. So what you do, it's pretty straightforward. You pick up the handset, and as you can see, there's a button under the handset. That's the hang up button, so the handset needs to be on before you dial. And then you simply put your finger in those little holes. You see it fits the finger nicely, and then you reel it all the way around until your finger touches that metal part there. And you do that for each number you want to dial. And hey, if you find that you can't even track down the doc's phone number when you're stuck in 1955, well, you know what? You can just use the operator number. You just dial 0. And that's the big one. That's going all the way around. Dial the operator. Say, hey, I need the doc's phone number so he can send me back to the future. They'll know what you're talking about. And write it down, and then you can call that number. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use an old school rotary phone. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you get back to the future.